time to make some new rubber bands for lashing down bows. More like for laminating bows. So, see here, I've just got, it's a brand new inner tube, 26 inches. If you got kids or grandkids, riding their bikes and popping tires, this is what you do with the extra, or with the old inner tubes that they have ruined, because holes in inner tubes don't mean anything to us when we're making our bows. All right, so I'm going to start here at the valve stem and just cut that puppy right out of there. Really, this is just going to be the start. And you can kind of see there's a rib. See it? There's a rib, a line right there that runs the length of the inner tube. And what we're going to do is on the first cut, we're going to follow that line around the entire perimeter of the tire this direction. Because basically what we're going to end up doing is making one continuous length. You can see I'm just cutting right along that line. I'm just going to follow it all the way around. Okay, we have come full circle at this point. And you can see that it's time to start. At this point, we do not want to complete the cut. What we want to do is turn and get to the side and continue the cut now up in here, so we get a continuous ribbon going. Now there are actually ribs across this inner tube, and I'm going to do my best to jog over and follow each rib as I go around the perimeter of the inner tube. So this is the point at which I start to cross over, being careful not to cut all the way through the other side, and catch up with now this length. And we will just follow this line now around the whole inner tube. All right, we have run the circumference again, and you can see where my previous cut has cut across. So we're going to come around here again and continue cutting along these lines. It's a little on the laborious side of things, but well worth the outcome. On our final lap here, and we are going to right here. All right. This is it. One more time around, and we are going to basically have one very long rubber band. So basically what we've done is spiral cut this thing right up to the finish line. So Here's our valve stem. And this whole tire has been cut into one continuous length of rubber band. So there you go. And at this point, then of course, you can just cut it into whatever lengths you need for your laminating needs. Of course, I'll go ahead and cut him away. But there you go. Every time your kid or your grandkid or whomever has a flat tire, or you on your own bicycle, and you replace the inner tube, this is what you do with it. And guys, even purchasing it brand new and sacrificing a brand new one for this purpose is well worth it with your for your laminating toolkit. So there you go. That is how you get your rubber bands.